Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back. In Part 2, we'll dive into real use cases, design rules, and how Japanese auto companies can successfully launch digital coworker interfaces without disrupting work. Smart stations and sensor-based benches. These stations confirm work through sensors such as presence checks, pick-to-light, torque tool confirmations, and part traceability. Workers get immediate feedback, and quality teams get clean records without extra typing. A simple rule helps. If the task needs both hands, use wearables, voice, or sensors. If the task needs judgment and reference, use a screen with clear visuals. A day in the life, how a digital coworker helps during build, inspection, and changeovers. Start of shift. A short briefing appears on the station display. It highlights the day's build mix, known part issues, and any standard work changes. It's a what's different today view, not a long memo. At the station, a worker scans the unit. The interface loads the exact variant and shows the first step. It also blocks the wrong parts, so a similar-looking connector can't slip through. When the worker picks the part and scans it, the system confirms it's correct for that VIN. During assembly, torque tools report back automatically. If a torque is out of spec, the interface flags it right away and guides the next action such as retorque, supervisor call, or hold tag. The worker isn't guessing, and the record is stored without extra paperwork. If an abnormality shows up, the worker taps a simple reason code and adds a photo if needed. The tone matters here. A good interface doesn't feel like it's collecting evidence. It feels like it's helping the team respond faster. Near end of line, the interface runs through checks that match the vehicle's options. It won't ask for a feature the car doesn't have. That alone saves time and reduces false misses. During a changeover, the interface swaps to the new standard work version automatically. It can highlight only what changed since last week. The worker stays in control, and the interface reduces mental load when the pace is high. Where digital coworkers create the biggest wins for Japanese car workers. Digital coworker interfaces pay off when they touch daily pain. In Japanese auto operations, that often means variant complexity, fast talk time, strict quality gates, and tight space. The best use cases connect to clear outcomes like first pass yield, cycle time stability, safety incidents, training time, and downtime minutes. Assembly line support, guided work, Hoka yoke prompts, and real-time defect prevention. Assembly is where small misses become big rework. Digital coworker interfaces reduce those misses by making the process hard to misread. Common patterns include build by VIN instructions that adjust steps and parts for trim and options. Scan to confirm for parts that look alike, including left versus right or similar connectors. Tool confirmation where torque tools and press tools send pass or fail back to the station. Stop call wait flows that guide what to do when something is off. Just as important, the interface can capture line stop reasons without blaming workers. Instead of free text chaos, workers choose simple categories such as part missing, tool alarm, or spec question, and add a quick note. That turns frustration into useful data, and it's faster than explaining it multiple times. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.